Today, we'll be looking at Vend, a widely used point-of-sale POS system. If you're looking for an easy-to-use system for your retail or business needs, then might be an option worth considering. In this review, I'll go over everything you need to know about the platform, including its pricing, features, user interface, and performance. Let's start by talking about the general layout of the system. Vend offers a simple interface that is intuitive to use. The dashboard gives you a clear view of your sales, inventory, and customer data, and it allows you to easily navigate to various parts of the system. This is a big plus if you're new to POS systems. However, while it's easy to use, the system is not without its drawbacks. One thing to note is that there are limited customization options compared to other systems on the market, especially if you need advanced features. Now, let's talk about pricing. Vend offers 3 pricing tiers: Lite, Pro, and Enterprise. The Lite version, which is meant for small businesses, comes with basic features, but lacks some of the more advanced tools that larger businesses may need. The Pro version includes more features, such as reporting tools and integrations, but it comes at a higher price. The Enterprise version offers the most robust set of tools for large-scale operations, but it's also the most expensive. In terms of value for money, the pricing might not be the most affordable for smaller businesses, especially when compared to some of Vend's competitors. However, the platform does have a range of features that may justify the cost for certain businesses. Need unlimited virtual cards for business or personal use? Wallister lets you create, customize, and manage cards instantly. No hidden fees, no paperwork. Create a free business account right now using the link in the description. Another important aspect to consider is Vend's customer support. While they do offer 24/7 support, response times can be slow, especially if you need immediate help. Many users have reported waiting longer than expected to resolve issues. When it comes to integrations, Vend works well with a number of other platforms, such as Xero and QuickBooks, but it could benefit from having a wider range of options for things like e-commerce or marketing tools. As for security, Vend seems to have a solid infrastructure in place to protect sensitive customer data. Overall, Vend is a solid choice for businesses that need a reliable POS system, but it's not without its limitations. Its pricing might be a bit high for smaller businesses, and it lacks some advanced features that other platforms offer. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to weigh your options before committing to the system. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights on business tools. Thank you for watching.